Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go with it. I had just done maybe half an hour of a video just before this, and I was like, it's not going how I want it to, and plus I'm running on short time today. So a look that I was doing previously requires more time for me because it's something that I've not done before, and it's something that I feel like takes a lot of time to get the perfection. So I was like, So I still have a little bit of eyeliner left over, but that's fine. We're just gonna go with it today. That's it, we're just gonna go with it. So let's get started. Right, so I've already moisturized my face. I've used the Nivea Q10 Energy Day Cream, and I used the Revolution Skincare Rose Hip Seed Oil, sorry. Now I'm just going to do my foundation. It is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in 100 Linen. And the tiniest hint of this is the Stila Stay All Day Foundation in 8 Honey. This is my tanning shade, but I love to add just a tiny bit of this just to warm up my foundation a bit. I'm also just going to add 1 drop of this. This is the Glow Mon Amour in Champagne. Oh, sorry, Sparkling Love. For the concealer, I'm going to use the XX Revolution CX3 concealer under my eyes. Now I'm going to use the XX loose powder in translucent just for the under eyes. So now I'm going to try this. I've never tried this, and I actually bought this in the Black Friday sale last year. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour in Fair. I'm going to try this out. I'm not a fan of cream stuff, but I bought it because it was cheap. So completely brand new. So I'm just going to get a big brush. Not a really big brush. Something I can just put on. I'm just going to blend it out with a sponge. Now I'm just going to set certain points of my face. I'm not going to set it on the contour that I just put on. So I'm just going to take that same loose powder and just set parts of my face where I don't have the bronzer on. And then to set the cream, I'm going to use a little bit of the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Powder in Light, just a little bit because this stuff is pigmented. And that is just to set that cream. Eyebrows, I'm going to use the XX Fine Brow in Deep Black. Eyebrow gel, it's going to be L'Oreal Plump and Set Brow Artist. I recently just bought this. Right, gonna prime my eyes with the XX Translucent Eye Primer. Mind you, not a lot comes out on this doe foot. And just gonna blend it out. I'm just going to set my eyes with the Revolution Bacon Blot Lace Pressed Powder. Just because I like my eyelids proper set before I put anything on it. I just feel like it blends better for me. So I bought this eyeshadow palette. This is called Truthful Dare by Revolution Pro. It is gorgeous. I've been wanting it for bloody ages. I just never bought it, but now I have. Again, there was a special offer going on at Superdrug. It was like buy one get one free. It is gorge, absolutely gorge. You've got 3 mattes and the rest are like shimmers and foils, and I love them. So I don't know what look I'm gonna create, but I'm gonna create something today. So let me go with it. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade here, which is called Toned. I'm just going to pack it on. I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Core. It is a nice dark brown. I want to put this more on the lid of my eyes. Okay, now taking this shade called Booted, I'm going to take this on a smaller dome brush. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eyes first. Let me see if it's dark enough though. I'm going to put it on the inner corner of my eyes as well. Okay, so with what I got now, I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one, which is called Glide. Let me just see. Yeah, I'll try this one, and we'll put this in the middle. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this gold up top here, which is called Mineral, and pop it right in the center of that. And then let me just go straight under the eyes while I'm at it. I'm gonna take that dark shade again here, just on the outer corner and inner corner. Okay, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Liner in Brown Sugar. I'm just going to go here on the outer corner, on the inner corner, like that. I'm going to leave the middle blank. Okay, excuse if you hear the rain outside. It's very loud, I know, I'm sorry. I'm going to use the Bold Bronze Waterproof Eyeliner by Barry M. I'm just going to pop this in the middle, right here. Okay, lashes are going to be the Lash Queen Majestic Lashes. Okay, for some inner corner and underbrow highlight, I'm going to use the I Heart Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter, just on the inner corner here and here, and then under the arch of the eyebrow. Alright, I'm going to use that same highlighter, top of the cheekbones, bridge of the nose. Then I'm going to take some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Snowflake Loose Highlighter. I'm going to take the 8C Cool Pro Morphe palette. I'm going to take this shade here. It's called It Girl. Okay, for lips I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner in Nude Truffle, just to line my lips. I'm going to use the Kiko 3D Hydro Lip Gloss in 20. Okay, so this is the final look. I just created it off the spot. I don't know, I really wanted this eyeshadow palette for quite a long time. And you know, because I do work at Superdrug, and every time I see it, I swatch it every single time. Obviously not now, but before, I used to swatch it all the time. I used to love this color right here. It's just gorgeous. So yeah, this is the look. I paired it up with like a nude lip, a little bit darker than what I usually do. I usually like the light pink sparkly shades, but that's all right because it looks good. It matches, it suits. I really like the eyes, very bright. I think it's quite nice for brown eyes as well. So I do have brown eyes, so I feel like it almost does accentuate the eyes, especially with the gold in the middle. So I do like this look. So yeah, this is the look. It was just random off on the spot, you know. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.